Hi, government class. It is week 5 of remote learning, and we are on our last project for the year. So if you have not submitted and presented your mock Congress, you want to schedule that with me specifically. So send me an email and we'll figure out a time that you can present that and get feedback on that. So this week we're going to look at the political action project. This is going to be a really quick project. But it's really important to look at current political events, what's happening in our state, and what do you think should be done about it. So that's kind of the premise of this project. So on Monday, we're going to look at checkpoint 1 and 2 of the project. Checkpoint 1, you're going to choose a topic that you're interested in researching, and then you're actually going to research that in checkpoint 2. And we're going to be using the Alaska legislature as the basis for this project. So you're going to go to alaska.gov and click on the Alaska legislature and then choose a topic on there that's something that you're interested in. So from there, you're going to look at the action tracker. I deleted out checkpoint 3. So your checkpoint 3 actually says action tracker. And you're going to look at current legislation that's in the Alaska legislature. So bills that have been introduced, ones that have gone to committee, ones that may have even been submitted to the governor. And you're going to look at that process of what's happened so far. What have they attempted or tried, and what are people working on that relates to your topic. So you might use the Alaska legislature website as your main piece. You might also want to look at Alaska newspapers or social media and see if there's other topics or conversations that are being had about your topic as well. So you're going to gather all of that information in the first 2 checkpoints, put that all together, and then the final piece is you presenting to the class what the topic is, and then what is your suggestion that the class should do on that topic. Should they support the issue? And if so, how should they do that? Are there maybe things that they could sign or letters that they could write? What could they do to support that topic at the state level? Or what could they do to fight against it at the state level? So maybe they need to sign a petition or write to their legislature and say this is a bad idea. So it's up to you to decide what your view is on the topic, and then you'll present that back to the class on either Thursday or Friday. So that's what we're doing this week. The goal is to wrap up the entire government class so that all of your power focus areas and this project are done by Friday so that you are finished and ready to jump into interims next week. So if you have questions or if you need help, we'll be talking about it tomorrow in class. Thanks. Bye.